I switched backgrounds in a video, changed night and day transitions, and added objects in minutes, all without using any complicated VFX software. This is Beeble AI, a video to VFX tool that replaces backgrounds, adjusts lighting, and changes clothing directly from footage. I've tested this myself, and in this video, I'll walk you through step by step so you can actually use it to level up your video production in record time. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First, we'll test changing backgrounds of your videos. After signing in to Beeble AI, on the left side of the homepage, click SwitchX. Once it opens, you will see three main sections: Source, where you upload your video; Mask, where you define the subject you want to keep; and Reference Image, which guides the final look of your output. For the first example, I will take a video of a girl sitting in a forest and turn the background into cherry blossom scenery. Upload the video and confirm frame selection. Keep in mind there is a frame limit of 240, so pick a clip that fits within it. Keep masking on auto to let the tool automatically isolate the subject from the background. Next is the reference image. You can upload one or generate it inside the tool. The quality of your result depends heavily on how close this reference matches your subject, so generating it inside the tool usually works better. Click Create with AI and select Nano Banana 2 as the model. I'll type this as my prompt box. Within a few minutes, the reference image will be generated. You can expand it to preview, and the system will also generate a video prompt. You can edit it if needed by turning off autopilot. For the video settings, I will keep the same prompt as generated. Set resolution to 720p to save credits and keep variations at 1. Now hit generate and wait for the output. Here's what you get. The background shifts naturally into cherry blossoms, lighting adjusts correctly, and even reflections in the sunglasses update to match the new environment. For the second example, let's take a video with a plain background and replace it completely, similar to green screen editing. Upload a clip of a man standing in front of a wall, confirm frame selection, and keep masking on auto. For the reference image, generate a new scene like a deserted road under harsh sunlight. Click Create with AI and enter your prompt like this. This time, we'll switch the model to Nano Banana Pro for better quality. Once the reference image is ready, set your resolution, hit generate, and wait a few minutes. Here's the result: a fully transformed desert road scene with natural integration and realistic lighting throughout. However, during testing, Beeble AI struggled with small sub-elements like insects. Even after trying multiple image models, the results still didn't fully match expectations, though one output came closest. Adding objects directly into videos works the same way. Upload your source video. For this example, I will use the road video and place a car behind the man. In the reference image prompt box, I'll type this prompt. Keep masking on auto, set your resolution, and hit generate. After a few minutes, you'll see the result. The car blends into the scene as if it were originally part of the footage. Lighting and shadows match properly, and the video keeps its consistency. Now, moving to object replacement inside a video. Upload a clip of a woman holding a light bulb on a plain white background. The goal is to replace the bulb with an energy sword and transform her outfit into futuristic armor in a sci-fi setting. Confirm frame selection. This time, go to the mask section and switch from auto to select, since you will define the subject manually. This part needs more precision. The tool converts your selection into an alpha mask, meaning a black and white map, where black is what gets generated and white is what stays. To do so, open Smart Select, click Add Object, and use the brush tool. Brush the areas you want to keep, like hands, arms, and neck. Avoid brushing the bulb, clothing, and background, since those will be replaced. From my testing, the subject's hands, neck, or arms should be clearly visible in the frame. Otherwise, the output may contain distorted body parts. If you make a mistake, use the eraser to fix it. After finishing, preview the mask. If everything looks correct, confirm it. Now move to the reference image prompt box and type your prompt like this. Set the model to Nano Banana Pro and generate the reference image. Once it's ready, set the resolution and generate the final video. After processing, you get a clean result. The woman appears in futuristic armor, holding an energy sword in a sci-fi arena, with lighting and composition staying consistent across the scene. SwitchX can also handle full scene transitions. For the first example, let's use a clip of a girl lying on grass in bright daylight and convert it into a night scene. To do this, upload the source video. Keep masking on auto. For the reference image, set the model to Nano Banana Pro. Instead of writing a prompt, use the Relight option. It automatically generates a prompt for the same frame, but with a night lighting setup. Generate the reference image. After that, set your resolution and generate the video. The result shows a smooth shift from daylight to night. The lighting changes naturally across the scene, and the soft pink haze gives the final output a clean cinematic look. Sometimes transitions don't hold up properly. In one case, I tried adding fairy wings, but the effect didn't integrate correctly into the final output, and the transition broke instead of blending smoothly. For the second example, I will use a video of a man sitting in a cabin drinking tea with a forest visible through the window. The goal is to turn the scene into a ship cabin during a storm, with an ocean outside. Upload the source video and confirm frame selection. For the reference image, I'll type this: generate the reference image. Once ready, set the resolution and generate the final output. The result keeps the subject consistent while drinking tea, but the environment transforms into a moving ship cabin with a stormy ocean outside. The motion and lighting stay aligned, making the transition feel continuous and natural. Beeble AI also offers a node-based canvas for generative VFX, background replacement, and full scene creation in one workflow. Finally, let's talk pricing. Beeble AI offers a free plan, but SwitchX is not included. To access SwitchX, you need at least the creator plan costing $19 per month, which gives you 540 credits along with full feature access. Overall, Beeble AI is a solid option for video editors and content creators who want advanced visual effects without dealing with complex traditional workflows. While it's not perfect for sub-elements and transitions, it's a nice hassle-free setup to add professional effects to your video production. So try out Beeble AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.